My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Jaguar I-Pace. This vehicle is done just under 38,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. As we approach the boot, we can see that it's electric. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen, we can access My EV, which shows our charge and range, Apple CarPlay, valet mode, eco data, and cameras. Here we have climate control. And we have 4 different driving modes to choose from. So we have rain, ice and snow, eco, comfort and dynamic. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.